I started at Mercer Street Friends in February 2020, right before the pandemic. We are a Quaker-based organization that was founded in 1958 at 151 Mercer Street in the heart of the city of Trenton. We've been serving the community for decades, and we've evolved over time.
I've been on the Mercer Street Friends board for about a year and a half, and I am a partner agency. I always say we cannot spell success without Mercer Street Friends. We simply can't. It would make our jobs a lot harder and, to be quite frank, almost impossible. But because of that partnership with Mercer Street Friends, we are very secure.
Our mission statement is nourishing minds and bodies and empowering families and communities. We do that in three ways: through food, family, and education.
We are absolutely feeding the community of Mercer County. We have various programs. We have our allocations, which are USDA approved. We have SHUP, which is Send Hunger Packing, which is a weekend meal program for middle school and elementary school students. We also have our community food bags. The number of the community food bags now is ranging anywhere from 11,000 to 13,000. We're still growing. The need is there, so the community food bags actually fill the gaps.
We are the sole Feeding America food bank for Mercer County. We are the warehouse for donated food that comes through and is redistributed to more than 100 food agency partners. They comprise of food pantries, soup kitchens, schools, and churches. We're very proud of what we do there. About 7 million pounds of food a year comes through our warehouse. So we are the wholesaler and critical to the operations of the food system in Mercer County.
These programs make such an impact on these families' lives. To me, that is worth everything. The two programs are Healthy Families and Parents as Teachers. It's Healthy Families America is the national model. Families who enroll in the program receive a worker. They go to the home. I supervise the Healthy Families Home Visiting Program, so I supervise the staff who conduct the home visits in the program with the families that we serve. The focus is on the family and the child to make sure that the family is doing as well as they possibly can be. The research shows that families who take part in these programs have reduced stress, better mental health. The children are more likely to go to their well visits. The parents are more likely, I think it's 5 times more likely to further their education or join some sort of training program. There's all sorts of benefits that benefit the family and potentially just the community and society as a whole.
At our preschool, every day is a good day because our kids are really just happy. They're learning and they love us. I have about 21 staff. We have 6 classrooms, 2 teachers in each room. I have a family worker, administrative assistant, we have a janitor, a food worker, so it's about 21 of us there. We've been in the city for a long time. The only requirement is that they live in the city of Trenton and that they're 3 by the time the school year starts. So right now we're full. We've been full for some years and we keep an active waiting list. So if someone moves out of our area and has to go somewhere else, we always have another child to bring.
We create a loving, caring, supportive environment for our 3- and 4-year-olds. And we get them ready for kindergarten and beyond. We are also the lead community school agency in the city of Trenton, and we work in 3 schools. And a community school initiative is to remove barriers to learning by bringing in outside resources that are needed in the school so that the children are prepared to learn.
A community school is a strategy, it is not a program. I like to say that we have a 3-pronged approach to our community school partnership. We have direct services. That is where the Mercer Street Friends staff or employees of Mercer Street Friends service the families in areas such as social emotional learning groups, reading intervention, summer bridge program, counseling. This year I brought on board a social worker who does RTI play therapy counseling for the 2 elementary schools. So we continue to meet with the families and provide whatever support is necessary over the summertime, as well as providing learning opportunities and fun for their children.
We are getting ready for the future, and we expect to be in a position, with the help of so many tremendous partners out there in the corporate community, individually, family foundations, and government. And we rely on state and federal government as well. So it's a huge conglomeration of supporters, partners, and ambassadors. It's that broad community that supports us, that makes us able to meet our mission, and I'm confident continue to support us in the years ahead.